This is an Archaeopteryx. Its fossil was one of the most important scientific discoveries ever made. In addition to its obvious bird-like traits, it also sported many traditional dinosaur features, such as sharp teeth, a bony tail, and a killing claw, similar to its distant relative, the velociraptor. Not only was it the first feathered dinosaur found, but we now know its colours were mostly black and white, much like a magpie. Its name means ancient wing, not to be confused with the similarly named Paleozoic tree Archaeopteryx, which means ancient fern. The distinction, of course, is quite important.